go ahead and lay your strips of tofu out on a baking sheet. And you're going to bake them at 350 for about 30 minutes. And then go ahead and get your veggies to cut. These are some leftover carrots I had that my mom gave me. I'm just cutting them into some matchstick sizes. Once your veggies are prepped, you're going to get this spring roll skin. I found this at my local Kroger, so it can really be found at any grocery store. And when you get them, they're going to be kind of hard, if that makes sense. They're not going to be soft like the spring rolls that you would eat that were already prepared. But to soften these up, you just have to dip them in some warm water for about 10 seconds, I'd say, maybe even less, until you just feel them kind of start getting flimsy. So once you're done dipping them in the water, they'll come out looking about like this. And then I'm going to take my chili paste, and last time I made these I just tried to dip it in the chili paste, but I thought it'd be a good idea to put it inside, which it was a much better idea, much less messy, much more flavor. And then I'm going to take my kale. I like kind of smushing my kale up to break down the fiber. It just gives it a better texture, I think. And then go ahead and put your carrots on there. I had some leftover red pepper that I already had chopped up. I'm going to go ahead and throw in there. And I think that's the beauty of this dish, is that you can really throw whatever you have into it. The tofu goes in. The tofu gives it a really nice crunch. Some green onion in there. And some mushrooms. These mushrooms were a little big, so I think I probably could have sauteed them. But nonetheless, it was very delicious. Then you're going to get ahead and roll it. Roll it really tightly, kind of like a burrito though. So you're going to roll it over and then tuck the sides in, and then just keep on rolling. That is your spring roll. I hope you guys enjoyed this very easy vegan recipe.